Hi, welcome to my very first episode on the Big Fail YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, you've probably seen already or listened to my podcast, The Creator's Angle. But today is the first episode where I actually talk maybe I talk about photography. And today we're in the studio in Edinburgh, and I'll be taking photos of my love Ania, and I will share all these photos, well, not all of them, but some of them, with my settings in this video. We've added blue backdrop. Photo shoot will be with my Sony A7 IV. The lens at the moment is 24 to 70 f2.8 G Master 2. Then I'm going to change it to 70 to 200 f2.8 G Master 2 as well for a couple of photos. We have here a Godox trigger. Here behind me is the Godox ADC 300 Pro flash. And here we have a couple of lamps, flashes as slaves. Here is the reflector. So later on I will put some backdrops from Manfrotto. Hence this is here. And yeah, looking forward to the photo shoot. So, why are we here? Ania, my model Ania, asked me to take a nice corporate headshot for work. So we are here today to, well, for me it's a practice, and hopefully I will be able to deliver. For the first bit, Ania is almost ready, so now it's just a practice time. Just to let you know, this is the 70-200. Very versatile lens, if you ask me. I think this is the lens I love the most. Another backdrop change. This side is olive and the other side is tobacco. So a couple of photos now with the new backdrop, the Pro corporate headshot. I'm still learning, but we need to learn to get better, obviously. The old truth, we need to learn to get better. So let's go back to the photo shoot. Now, just a quick change of outfit. But one thing I need to say is this tobacco backdrop looks absolutely stunning. And obviously, as you can tell, I'm learning. So it's nice that we have here in Edinburgh the studio and we can use it and practice, because without practice there's no skill. Practice make us better. So really stoked that I can practice. I said practice 1,500 times, so as well. It doesn't really matter. English is not my first language anyway. Nonetheless, leave the comment down below what you think about photos. As you can see, Ania is wearing that really beautiful dress, which helps to expose her skin tones and everything else. And this is the tobacco. I'm gonna switch now to the green one. For the last section of this video, I'm using the goggles and gels. So that's the goggles from Godox. Green background, which actually looks quite bluish on the photos, as you can see just now on the screen. Nonetheless, practice, and I'm quite stoked that I was able to practice today with help from Ania. I'm new to this. The studio photography, I think I'm making progress. I will make more progress. The more photos I'll take, the more visits I will have here with Ania as a model. I think that the progress will be greater. Let me know in the comment section if you like the video. Leave the comment down below if you're a studio photographer and if you want to point any mistakes I've made. Well, it's a learning curve, so hopefully in a year's time down the line I'll be much better studio photographer than just now. Nonetheless, I think it was a great day, quite nerve-wracking for me because, you know, I always try to be perfect, and that's, I think, one of the things I need to work on as well, not to be so stressed, not to be so perfect. That's the end of my first episode on the Big Phil YouTube channel, photo-related episode and studio photography related episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the thumbs up, it always helps. Leave the comment down below if you have any comments, or if you have any suggestions, or you would like to post and you're in Edinburgh. It would be nice if you subscribe. Also remember about the Creators Angle podcast. Stay tuned and keep shooting.